class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size will be 6 students. मतलब एक बैच में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 6 स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रहेंगे और इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन सबको मिलेगा. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per as your school examination, and also we handle custom requirements. So yes, good morning students. Jaldi jaldi जो भी आए हैं नए students, पुराने students, comment your name in the chat. Okay, let me know if you are new students और कौन कौन आए. Give your attendance here in the chat. Yes, we have an old student here, and key features of Swift Learners, we provide you with the detailed progress report. Okay, students can take Swift Learn academic test series. So it is a scholarship exam which is conducted every Sunday where students can win scholarship up till 1 lakh rupees. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and this test will be subjective test for your school examinations. So why are you waiting? Book a free trial class today. Yes, I hope Mandana okay, so let me know your real name again. Is your name Mandana? I get it is something else. Is it Tanuja? Something else? Like what is your name? Please comment again. Okay, yes, and have you booked a free trial class? Okay, if you have not booked a free trial class, you should book a free trial class today. Yes, so log into the website of SwiftLearn and you can book a free trial class there. Yes. So students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. So good morning everyone, I am Shashank sir, and today I will be teaching you the last class, the conclusion class of arithmetical progression. Okay, problems on arithmetical progression. Yes, I had guessed your name right. I remember you. Now you are Tanuja, right? So I have guessed it right. So Tanuja, have you subscribed to our channel? I think so you have subscribed. And have you booked a free trial class today? नहीं किए हैं तो ट्रायल क्लास बुक करो. We teach you maths, we teach you science, we teach you English, we teach you Vedic maths, and so many other courses are also there. So please check out. Okay, so whatever you feel that is important for you to learn those. Okay, so give a free trial. Yes, objective of today's class. Okay, mind map of arithmetical progression. We will learn entire thing again. We will revise entire thing again जो हमने इतने दिन 4 classes में किया है. We will solve multiple choice questions and we will solve subjective questions. तो ये सब हम लोग करने वाले हैं आज. Yes. Yes, so what is an arithmetical progression? It is a list of numbers where each number is called as a term. Okay, and the next term, the successive terms are obtained by adding some fixed number to the preceding term, and that fixed number is called as common difference. Okay, that is arithmetical progression. The general form of arithmetical progression is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d and so on up till a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Now common difference. Okay, what is common difference? It is a fixed number which gives to form terms by subtracting from the present number. Okay, so common difference is nothing but it is a fixed number which is obtained by subtracting succeeding number with preceding number. Okay, that is common difference. Okay, now yes, arithmetical progression, the nth term, how the nth term is given? The nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is number of terms, d is common difference, and an, what about the an? An is the nth term. Okay, yes. What about the sum of arithmetical progression of a finite series? It is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, where L is, Tanuja, what is L? Answer me, what is L? L means what? Okay, yes. And sum of terms up till n terms, we have one more formula, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, where a is the first term, n is number of terms, d is common difference, and Sn is sum of n terms. Okay, so yes, so where L is what? L means the last term or nth term. Yes, good morning, good morning. Okay, Shruti. Yes, good morning. So we are learning today. This is the conclusion part of the arithmetical progression. So जो भी हमने इतना दिन सीखा है वो सब हम लोग फिर से सीखने वाले हैं. Okay. Yes, so let us solve some multiple choice questions. Now, in an AP, if D is minus 4 and N is 7, AN is this, then what is the A? Then what is A? They are asking us the first term. Okay. Now, yes, let us solve this over here. Okay, common difference दिया है, वो -4 है. Okay, number of terms दिया है, so that is 7. Okay, so a7, okay, a7, okay, is equal to, or an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया है. They have given an is 4 and n number of terms, n is 7, so 7 minus 1 it is 6. Okay, a plus 6 into d, and d is -4. So yes, so 4 is equal to a minus 24. ये minus 24 यहाँ चला जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will become plus 24, and plus 24 plus 4. How much is that, guys? We will get a is equal to 28. So the first term, what is the first term? First term is 28. So 28 is the right answer, guys. Let us check this out. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे 28 राइट आंसर है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, I will wait for you and I will ask the answer from your side. The 21st term of an AP whose first two terms are this and this. Okay, we need to find A21. Okay, yes, let us find A21. Okay, that is the right answer. Shruti and Mandana, right answer है. चलो ये वाला करके दिखाओ अभी. So we need to find A21, that is question mark, and A21 is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term कितना है देखो, -3 है, plus n minus 1 the number of term 21. Okay, -1 into d. How to find d? Succeeding term minus previous term. So 4 minus of -3 कितना है? 4 minus of -3 is 8. So yes, solve this. I will take some time, solve this and let me know the answer. Okay, so yes, it is -3 and 20 plus 20 into 8. Okay, a2 is 160. Okay, so yes, so Tanuja, yes. So yes, why are we getting this? Okay, let us check this. Let's just check this. 160. Okay, so Wes, so 160 minus 3, how much should be the answer? You should have 157. Okay, there is some error in this options. ये देखो, this should be 157. ठीक है, now देखो यहाँ पे, let us check, देखो, let us solve this again. You will come to know कि 127 है, 157 है कि नहीं. Okay, first two terms, a is this, a1 is this, a2 is this. How much is the common difference? a2 minus a1. सो यस, ओके, मैंने 8 लिखा था क्या प्रीवियसली? ओके, ठीक है. सो 4 माइनस ऑफ -3 इज 7. ठीक है, इट इज करेक्ट. सो डी इज 7. ओके, एंड n is 21, a is -3. सो फाइंड a21. a21 निकालो. ओके, ये मैंने 8 लिखा था, वो 8 नहीं है, वो 7 है, यही गलती हो गया था. यस. So A is minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 into D. How much is the D? D is 7. Previously we had written it as 8. तो इसलिए ऐसा हुआ था. So yes, 7 2 ja is 140 and 140 minus 3. How much is 140 minus 3? That is 137. So 137 is the right answer. 137 is the right answer. Yes. Okay, हो जाता है सुबह सुबह silly mistakes. ठीक है. So yes. Okay, next question. Solve this, guys. Solve this. Solve this. If the common difference of an AP is 5, okay, common difference D is 5 दे दिया है. Then what is A18 minus A13? अच्छा, okay. You know how much is A18? It is A plus 17D. N minus 1 into D, where N is 18 डालो, so 18 minus 1 17 आ जाएगा. A13 A plus N minus 1 into D, N 13 डाल दो, so 13 minus 1 12 आ जाएगा. So this is A18, this is A18. हमें चाहिए इन दोनों का subtraction, तो करो subtract. Okay, so yes, this sign will change. A minus A, that is 0, and 17 minus 12. How much is 17 minus 12? 17 minus 12 is 5D. Okay, so A18 minus A13 is 5D. And what is the value of D? D value is 5. So 5 into 5 is nothing but 25. 25 is the right answer, guys. Okay? Yes. Check it. Yes, Tanuja and Shruti. Did you also get the right same answer? 25 आया. Yes, if you have got 25, comment in the chat. 25 is the right answer, guys. Okay. The sum of first 6 multiples of 3. Yes. Tanuja, you have got 25. That is good. Sum of first 6 multiples of 3 is. Okay, 3 के first 6 multiples. Okay, first is 3, second is 6, third is 9, and so on. Okay, now first A6 निकालो. Okay, A6 is A plus N minus 1 into D, N is 6 minus 1 into D. Okay, और डायरेक्टली हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Okay, क्या लिख सकते हैं सर? A6 is equal to A plus 5D. Now A6 हमें वो निकालना है. We need to find that A, the first term is 3 plus 5 into 3. Okay, common difference is also 3. देखो यहाँ पे 6 minus 3 is 3. So yes, it is nothing but 6 5 ja 30. The sixth term is, now 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 3 is 18, not 30, it is 18. So 18 is the last term. Now if you want to find the sum of first 6 terms, so Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. N is 6, 6 by 2, first term is 3, last term is 18. So 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 21, how much is 3 into 21? 63. So what is the answer for this? 63. Did you get 63, guys? So 63 is the answer. Let's check this out. Yes, 63 सही जवाब है. Okay, now try to solve this. Try to solve this. If the numbers n minus 2. अच्छा, ऐसे वाले problems हमने नहीं किए थे. So yes, let us solve these problems. Okay. If n minus 2, comma 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in arithmetical progression, find the value of n. अच्छा, उन लोग ने बोल दिया है कि ये arithmetical progression में है. So yes, find common difference. It is a2 minus a1, second term minus first term. How much is the second term? Second term is 4n minus 1. माइनस, ओके यहाँ पे बच्चे लोग मिस्टेक कर लेते हैं, ओके पुट सम ब्रैकेट्स n-2, डायरेक्टली -n-2 लिख देते हो, वो गलत हो जाता है, यू शुड पुट ब्रैकेट्स एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट 4n-1, ये यहाँ पे कुछ नंबर नहीं है मीन्स इट इज 1, सो -1 into n इज -n, -1 into -2 इज +2, ओके। सो अगर ब्रैकेट नहीं डालते हो कभी कभी मिस्टेकली यू विल डायरेक्टली राइट इट एज -n-2 लिख देते हो, जो कि गलत है, देखो ये सही है। नाउ यस लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 4n minus n is 3n, -1 plus 2 is +1. So common difference, how much is common difference? D is 3n plus 1, okay, D is 3n plus 1. देखो यहाँ पे हमने d निकाल दिया, हमें पता है a कितना है, the first term a is n minus 2, okay, if these are in AP then find the value of n, अच्छा, ओके फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n पूछे है, ओके तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें हमें इक्वेट करना पड़ेगा, ओके इक्वेट बोथ द आंसर्स विद द कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड देन वी कैन सॉल्व इट, चलो इक्वेट करते हैं। नाउ व्हाट इज d इज इक्वल टू, d इज इक्वल टू a2 माइनस a1, d इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू a3 माइनस a2, तो कर लो इक्वेट, ओके सो a2 माइनस a1 हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है, 3n+1 आ गया है, सो यस इक्वेट देम, a2 माइनस a1 इज इक्वल टू a3 माइनस a2, a2 माइनस a1 अब भी हमने सॉल्व किया है, 3n+1 आया है, चलो a3 माइनस a2 करो, a3 is 5n plus 2 minus, okay now I won't write the bracket, I will directly write minus 4n plus 1. Now simplify this, how much you are getting, 5n minus 4n you are getting n, and 2 plus 1 you are getting 3. So 3n plus 1 is equal to n plus 3. Now simplify for n guys, simplify for n. So take n this side, take 1 this side, so 3n minus n is equal to 3 minus 1. ये 2n is equal to 2 है, n is equal to -1. So is -1 the answer? Do we have an option called -1? Okay, do we have an option as n is equal to 1? देखो n is equal to 1. Yes, option B is there. So B is right answer guys. ठीक है? Yes. देखो हमने सही किया है, ओके यस, सो हो गए अभी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, ओके सो यस, any doubts so far? If you're having any doubts students, okay, so ask them. If you have not understood anything else, if you want to repeat me the previous problem, ask me, I will repeat, otherwise let's move on to the next question, okay. Yes Tanuja, the answer is right, 1 is the right answers. I can see more students here, आज ज़्यादा students आए हैं live stream पे, so please introduce yourself, okay, comment your name in the chat, in which standard you are studying, new students, okay, so Tanuja I know and Shruti I know, okay, so Gagan Bakshit is there. Gagan, is your real name Gagan or something else? Comment your real name, बताओ मुझे what is your real name, okay, and yes, in which standard are you studying? What about the other students? Okay, introduce karao, jaan pehchan badhao, tell me your name, okay, and the next chapter after this I will be teaching constructions for both 9th and 10th standard I will be teaching, okay, so वो मेरा stream somewhat around कितने बजे है, okay, वो सर अभी ऐड कर देंगे चैट में, okay, और you subscribe, if you have subscribed to this channel वो notification आ जाएगा, Shashank sir is teaching this chapter live at this time, okay, so your name is Gagan Bakshit, okay, so you are there with the real name, yes, so Gagan, let's solve this question, okay, solve करके दिखाओ, okay, Tanuja is solving so many questions, so yes, there is a competition between you and Tanuja. Read this first and let me know who will solve this first. The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. Okay, so S4, the sum of fourth term, okay, not S4, A4 plus A8, okay, is 24. अच्छा ठीक है. The sum of A6 plus 10th term A10th is 44. Find the first three terms A1, A2, A3 निकालना है हमें. Okay, now how to do this? Do you know what is A4? A4, the fourth term of an AP is given by A plus 3D plus eighth term of an AP is given by A plus 7D. Okay, add them, you get 24. Total कितना है? You get 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. ओके गगन, यू वांट टू सॉल्व? ठीक है, मैं रुकूंगा. यस, मैं 2 मिनट स्लो सॉल्व करूंगा. सॉल्व दिस फास्ट, सॉल्व दिस फास्ट. लेट मी नो वेदर यू कैन सॉल्व दिस. मैंने हिंट दे दिया है, अभी तुम लोग सॉल्व करके बताओ. दिस इज अ वेरी टिपिकल प्रॉब्लम. ओके, ये अभी तक नहीं सॉल्व किया था, तो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. यूज दिस clues what I have given and solve करके बताओ. Yes. So A6 can be written as A plus 5D. ये हो गया अपना A6. And A10 can be written as A plus 9D. Yes. So, and this is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Okay, 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Now, what do we have here? What do we have here? We have linear equations in two variables, and we have two such equations. So yes, if you have solved linear equations in two variables, you know how to solve this correctly. Okay, solve करो, a का value निकालो, d का value निकालो. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Subtract करो, subtract means sign change हो जाएगा. So 2a minus 2a is 0. Okay, so 10 minus 14, how much is that? 10 minus 14 is minus 4d, and 44 minus 24 is minus 20. So minus 4d is minus 20. How much is d? Minus 20 by minus 4. Okay. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Minus minus sign cancel. So d हो गया 5. Okay, Gagan, we have got d, that is equal to 5. Then substitute in any of the equations. Substitute in equation 1 or substitute in equation 2. Okay, and find the value of a. Find the value of a. So a, 2a plus 10d. 10 into 5 is 50 is equal to 24. Okay, so yes, 2a is equal to 50 plus 50 is equal to 24. 2a is 24 minus 50. How much is that? Minus 26. And a is divided by 2, so it is minus 13. So how much is a? A is minus 13. So yes, a is minus 13 and d is 5. First term is minus 13 and d is 5. देखो गगन, ऐसा करना है. Okay, so a, the first term is 13 minus 13. Second term is add 5 to it. Add 5 to it. ठीक है, so 13 minus 5 कितना हो गया? Minus 8, and 8 minus 5 is minus 3. So these are the first three terms of an AP. Let us check whether this is the right answer or not. Okay, or we will check whether we have done some mistake. नहीं, हमने सही किया है गगन. देखो, 13 minus 8 minus 3, these are the right answers. So गगन, what you do is you pause the video. पॉज करो, वीडियो को पॉज करो, फिर से देखो, जल्दी जल्दी स्टेप्स देखो, and join us back again to the live stream. Yes. Okay, let us solve this next question. Okay. Okay, so गगन का एक सिली मिस्टेक हो गया. Yes, सिली मिस्टेक्स बहुत भारी पड़ता है ना, right? Okay, that's why we are here. We are the experts. We teach you from the basics. Okay, we make your basics clear so you won't make any mistake. So yes, Gagan, have you subscribed our channel Swiflearn? Subscribe it. So you will get regular notifications. We teach maths, we teach science, we teach English. Okay, so all these things we teach. So if you subscribe, you will get the notification. Okay, so at this time there is a live class करके notification आ जाएगा. Yes. Now Vandana Rao. Okay, let us solve this next problem. Vandana Rao is started work in 1955 at an annual salary. Okay, annual salary मतलब yearly salary है. Okay, yearly salary is 5,000 rupees. बाप रे 5,000 एक साल में बहुत ही कम हो गया ना. ओके, माइट बी अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब, माइट बी अ 1 hour जॉब. ठीक है, सो यस. So first year salary is 5,000 rupees during the year 1955 and received an increment of 200 each year. 200 each year. Okay, every year she will get 200, means that is the common difference. A is 5,000, D is 200. In which year did her income reach 7,000? Okay, so yes, so An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Which year, कौन सा year, we don't know the value of N, that is what we need to find. An is 1000 guys. A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. ठीक है, तो ये प्लस 5,000 यहाँ आ गया तो माइनस 5,000 हो जाएगा. सो 7,000 माइनस 5,000. ओके, एंड ये इंटू 200 है, यहाँ पे आ गया तो डिवाइडेड बाय 200 हो जाएगा. n minus 1 is this thing. 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 and 2,000 divided by 200 is 10. So n minus 1 is equal to 10. How much is the n? N is 11. So after the 11th year, she will get the annual salary as 7,000. So 1995 को 11 add करो. Okay, you get 6, you get 0, you get 0. So 2006 में उसका salary हो जाएगा 7,000. Okay, now which year is it? This year is 2021. Okay, so in the year 2021 continue the same problem. कितना रहेगा अभी उसका salary? Okay, so solve this. This is your homework for you guys. Okay, 2021 में salary कितना रहेगा? Same problem. Okay, continue this and solve. Okay, so 2021 you will have n. ओके, एन मिल गया रहेगा. सो यस, सो 1995 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करो 2021 में, यू विल गेट एन. यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट इज ए, यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट इज डी. सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल द थिंग्स. ओके, एंड सॉल्व इट, यू विल गेट द आंसर. सो सॉल्व करिए क्या, लाइक आई एम सीइंग आई हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम टुडे. सो यस, लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. So 2021 minus 1 1995. Okay, so how much is this? So 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, 10 minus 10 is 0. So 26 years हो गए, 26 years. N is equal to 26. So substitute that An is equal to A plus n minus 1. 26 minus 1 is 25 into common difference D. अच्छा हो गया, 25 आ गया, because we know 25 times 2 is 50. ठीक है, so yes, 25 times 2 is 50 and ये दो extra zeros. So 5,000 plus 5,000 कितना हो गया? 10,000. Now finally after 26 years in the year 2020 अगर यही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कंटिन्यू होता तो उसका सैलरी अब भी होता 10,000 रुपीज. समझे? यस. ओके. Okay, the 11th year for the answer was previous one. Okay, and 11th year if we add 11 to 1995 we get 2006. वो हमने correct solve किया है. Okay, okay. Gagan, you want to solve this? यू वांट टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? ठीक है, करो, सॉल्व करो. I will read the question for you and you try to solve this. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 crash prize to the student of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding price, find the value of each prize. देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है, मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. ओके, टोटल 700 रुपीज है हमारे पास. कितना है? 700 रुपीज है. एंड हमें ये बांटना है 7 स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में. सर 100 100 100 दे दो. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट आया है उसको ज्यादा मिलना चाहिए, जो सेकंड आया है उसको उससे थोड़ा कम मिलना चाहिए, फर्स्ट से. थर्ड को सेकंड से कम, फोर्थ को ऐसा 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 होना चाहिए. एंड दे हैव आल्सो स्ट्रिक्टली सेड द डिफरेंस शुड बी ₹20. ठीक है, सो वी डोंट नो द फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है, वो नहीं पता है. वी नो द कॉमन डिफरेंस, इट इज 20. वी नो SN, that is 700. Find the value of each prizes. Okay, so let us use this formula of Sn is equal to n by 2. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Acha. Yes, so Sn is 700. Substitute 700 here. N, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, कितने प्राइजेस देने हैं, कितने प्राइजेस देने हैं, हमें देने हैं 7 प्राइजेस. तो 7/2, 2a, डू वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ a? वी डोंट नो. प्लस n का वैल्यू पता है. अरे ये क्वेश्चन तो ये ऐसा है. ओके, n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ब्रैकेट बाहर आना चाहिए, सॉरी. यस, सो n माइनस 1, 7 माइनस 1 इज 6 टाइम्स d इज 20. अभी ये सिंप्लीफाई कर दो गगन. सिंप्लीफाई करके मुझे वैल्यू ऑफ ए, हाउ मच इज दैट? टेल मी. Solve this, take your own time and tell me the value of a, how much is that? So ठीक है, सॉल्व करूं, मैं कंटिन्यू करूं? आई हैव गिवन यू द टाइम, आई हैव गिवन यू द लीड. सो यस, देखो यहां पे. नाउ टेक ऑल द कांस्टेंट नंबर्स टू द लेफ्ट साइड. ये 7/2 है. ओके, यहाँ पे आने के बाद ये हो जाएगा 2/7. 700 इंटू 2/7 हो जाएगा, is equal to 2a plus 6 into 2 is 12. So this 7 1 just 7, 700 just 700, 100 into 2 is 200. ये हो जाएगा 200. So ये प्लस 120 है, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? -120. 200 minus 120, how much is that? It is 80. So 80 is equal to 2a and a is equal to 80/2. How much is that? 40. अच्छा गगन, तुमने करेक्ट सॉल्व किया है, वेरी गुड. 40 is the answer. ओके, a का वैल्यू हमने निकाला है. a का वैल्यू कितना है? a का वैल्यू है 40. ओके, नाउ ओके, ये सबसे, since we have taken common difference as +20, we have taken common difference as +20. देखो यहाँ पे भी मिस्टेक कर लेते हैं. अभी -20 नहीं करना है, हमें +20 करना है. ओके, बिकॉज d इज पॉजिटिव, इट इज इंक्रीजिंग एपी. तो जो सेवेंथ बंदा आया है उसको मिलेगा 40. जो सिक्स रैंक आया है उसको मिलेगा दिस टर्म प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस विच इज 20, उसको मिलेगा 60. जो फिफ्थ बंदा आया है उसको मिलेगा 80. जो फोर्थ आया है 100. फिफ्थ आया है 120, फिर 140, फिर 160. अच्छा, ये है प्राइजेस. ओके, सो हमें डी ऐड करना है. Now if I had taken D as minus 20, okay, so I would have got the first term A as 160. ओके जो फर्स्ट रैंक आया उसका मिलता था, तो -20 -20 -20 करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ, यू विल गेट द लास्ट टर्म एज 40. नाउ यू ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम, जो पिछले अभी आया था, जो अभी मैंने लिखा था. ओके यू ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम एंड चेक करो कि 700 आता है कि नहीं. ऐड ऑल दिस टर्म्स, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट 700. तो ऐसे करते हैं हम. ओके गगन, यू हैव सॉल्व्ड इट राइट, तो गगन को मिलता है फर्स्ट प्राइज. ओके फर्स्ट प्राइज कितना है? फर्स्ट प्राइज है 160 रुपीज. सो यस, यू विल गेट 160 रुपीज हियर. ओके नॉट असली में ऐसा ही. ओके सो 160 120 ये दिस आर ऑल द आंसर्स गाइस. Okay, yes, Gagan, I'm waiting for you to solve the next question again. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom, 19 in the next, 18 in the next, and so on. How many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are there in the top row? अच्छा ठीक है. ओके देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं, लाइक लकड़ी रखे हैं. कितने लकड़ी रखे हैं? नीचे 20 रखे हैं. फिर उसके ऊपर रखे हैं 19, फिर उसके ऊपर रखे हैं 18, फिर उसके ऊपर रखे हैं 17 एंड सो ऑन. ओके 0 1 तक नहीं रखे, थोड़ा ही रखे. ओके सो यस 1 तक रखे नहीं रखे पता नहीं है, लेट अस चेक. सो 200 लॉग्स आर स्टैक्ड. सो नीचे 20 हो गए, फिर 19, फिर 18 18 ऐसे 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 टोटल 200 रखे हैं. How many logs are there in the top row? So yes, कैसे सॉल्व करना है? हमें निकालना है Sn. Sn is equal to 200. हमें पता है there are 200 logs. Okay, first term A is 20. Okay, so D is A2 minus A1. So 19 minus 20, that is -1. तो एक 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 डिक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं हम. So D is this, and in how many term, like how many, like which row there total there are 200. So N हमें नहीं पता है. So use the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Sorry, Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. ये formula use करना है guys. So Sn is 200. ओके सो n बाय 2, n इज नहीं पता है. अच्छा हमें आएगा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन गाइस. देखो अगर n का वैल्यू नहीं पता रहता है तो वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आएगा. ओके शायद यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव आंसर एक पॉजिटिव आंसर आएगा. लाइक क्या आएगा? लेट अस चेक आउट. ओके सो यस, सो लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन. ओके ओके सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन दिया है तो हमें ही करना होगा, हमें करना होगा. यस चलो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. So n by 2, 2a, 2 times 20 plus n minus 1 into common differences -1. Now n by 2 है, if this 2 goes here this will become 400. Okay, so yes let us solve this. देखो ये बच्चा कितना confused है. Okay, let us help her to solve this problem. So 200 into 2 is 400. Okay is equal to n. 22 ja 40 plus n minus 1 into -1. -1 into n is minus n. Okay, -1 into n is minus n. -1 into -1 is +1. So yes, opening this bracket I get 40n minus n square plus n. Now take everything this side. 40n minus n square minus n. ओके ये देखो यहाँ पे ये 40 plus 1 is 41 है ना. सो यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं डायरेक्ट. ओके सो 41n एक स्टेप कम पड़ेगा राइट. सो 1 plus 40 is 41. सो 41n हो गया. Now take everything on the left side, we will get n square minus 41 and plus 400 is equal to 0. Now, can you simplify this quadratic equation? Can you simplify this quadratic equation? If you have learned quadratic equation, you will come to know how to simplify this answer. देखो यहाँ पे कैसे करते हैं. Product should be 400. Okay, and sum should be minus 41. ओके वो कर सकते हैं, या माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ओके यूज दैट फॉर्मूला, बी स्क्वायर minus 4ac divided by 2a. Use that formula and solve this. ठीक है. So yes, let us check. B square is 41 square, 41 4 4 just 16 1 8. Okay, this is 41 square, and yes. So yes, let me figure this out. Okay, give me some time. I'm using b square minus 4ac divided by 2a to get this answer. So minus b, minus of minus is 41. Okay, plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. फिर उसका स्क्वायर रूट है 81. फिर 81 का ये है 9 and divided by 2 times a divided by 2. Okay, so yes, how much is 41 plus 9? It is 50. So 50 by 2 is 25 आ रहा है. Okay, और एक 41 minus 9 is 32. 32 by 2 is 32 by 2 is 16. Okay, okay, okay. So I have figured it out. मैंने कर लिया है. So yes. So 25 and 16. देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, 25 into 16. How much is that, guys? Okay, 25 and 16. 25 times 16. Are we getting 400? Yes, we are getting 400. So 25 times 10 is 250, and 25 times 6 is 150. Add karo, you are getting 400. So split them as 25 into 16. Okay, we should, the sum should be minus minus. So minus minus, yes. Okay, so yes, it is difficult to solve this quadratic equation, Gagan, but don't worry, you use this formula. मैंने अभी ऐसा ही किया, माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac डिवाइडेड बाय 2a, ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया है एंड आई फाउंड आउट द वैल्यू. ओके, सो 25 एंड 16 आया है. सो यस, स्प्लिट दिस नंबर्स एज minus 25 and minus 14 and minus 16 and okay, so 400. Now check this out, यहाँ पे n कॉमन है, so n minus 16 minus 25 कॉमन यहाँ पे है, so n minus 16 again because 25 into 16 is 400. So yes, ये दोनों में से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? We can take n minus 16 as कॉमन, फिर बचेगा n minus 25. Now since n minus 16 is equal to 0 and n minus 25 is equal to 0, the value of n is equal to, ये minus 16 है, यहाँ चला गया तो plus 16, ये minus 25 है, यहाँ पे आ गया तो plus 25. So yes, at the top row this will be the answer. Okay, top row पे either 16 or either, like on the, like how many logs are there in the top row. अच्छा, हमने निकाला है अभी the value of n. Okay, so yes, at the 16 rows. Okay, so 25 row तो हो नहीं सकता. Okay, because the logs कम पड़ेगा शायद. So 16 के लिए निकालते हैं. देखो, find a16. How much is a16? a plus n minus 1. 16 minus 1 into minus 1. How much is that? So yes, 20 minus 15 is 5. So at the 16th row the logs will be 5. और एक आंसर 25 आया था ना, so a25 वो करके देखते हैं. So ए प्लस 24 माइनस, हाँ देखो यहाँ पे क्या गड़बड़ हो गया। सो 24 इंटू -1 -24 हो गया। सो 25th रो पे नेगेटिव लॉक्स नहीं हो सकते, राइट। सो वी कैनॉट हैव -4 लॉक्स, तो ये 25th रो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कट हो जाता है। सिर्फ 16 रोज है एंड द लास्ट रो टॉप रो पे 5 लॉक्स है। इसका मतलब नीचे 20 रो, नीचे के रो में 20 है, उसके ऊपर 19 लॉक्स है, उसके ऊपर 18 लॉक्स है एंड सो ऑन, ऐसे 16 रोज है। ओके, सो उल्टा गिनती करने का 1 2 3 डॉट 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 16th रो पे देर विल बी 5 लॉक्स। दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। यस, देखो यहाँ पे 16th row and there are 5 locks. Yes, we have solved it right. Now let us solve the next question. Gagan, did you feel the previous problem tough? थोड़ा tough लगा? Yes, it was tough, but that is how we solve. Okay, so Ramlal saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year. Okay, first week में he saved 5 and then increased her his, okay, her लिखा है। Okay, so Ramlal, okay, this should be his if he is a guy. So increased his weekly savings by 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week, okay, some week, her savings is has become rupees 20.75, find n। ये कितना easy है। So ये an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d formula use करना है। an is equal to 20.75, फर्स्ट टर्म का से फर्स्ट वीक का सेविंग है 5, एंड कितना है पता नहीं है, एंड वीकली सेविंग्स इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय दिस, दिस इज डी। यस, सो कैन यू सॉल्व दिस गगन? सॉल्व करके बताओ। सो 20.75 -5 +5 है, यहाँ आ गया तो -5 होगा। सो यस, दैट विल बिकम 15.75 और ये 1.75 इंटू है, यहाँ आने के बाद वो हो जाएगा डिवाइड इज इक्वल टू n-1। अब ये डेसिमल्स है, ओके, ये हमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन कर सकता है। लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 100। ओके, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 100, 100 बाय 100 1 है, तो आंसर कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा। सो यस, n-1 इज इक्वल टू 1575 डिवाइडेड बाय 175। चलो ये 25 से डिवाइड होगा ऐसा लग रहा है। सो लेट अस डिवाइड दिस बाय 25। सो 25 7 जा 175। Okay, so 25 3 25 6 जा 150, 25 3 जा 75, 7 1 जा 7, 7 9 जा 63। So n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is 9 plus 1, n is equal to 10. What is the value of n? n is equal to 10। कर दिया हमने ये सॉल्व, n is equal to 10 आ गया है। ओके, यस, देखो हमने सही किया है। ओके, फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 22 टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी। हमें निकालना है S22 in which D is 7 and the 22nd term is 149। फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है? फर्स्ट टर्म दिए नहीं है, हमें निकालना है, हमें निकालना है A। ओके, सो A22 is nothing but A plus 21D। ओके, सो A22 का आंसर है 149, ए हमें निकालना है 21 एंड डी इज 7। सो यस, सो 21 इंटू 7 इज 147, तो ये प्लस 27 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, तो ए विल बी 149 माइनस 147, ए इज इक्वल टू 2। सो द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2 and the last term is 149, n is 22, find Sn, and by 2, first term plus last term, 22 by 2 2 plus 149. 22 by 2 is 11. 11 into, अच्छा देखो यहाँ पे 11 से मल्टीप्लाई आया है, so 151. I have a special trick, okay, to multiply 151 by 11. Okay, so 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, so 1661 is my answer. So 11 into 151 is 1661. Let us check whether we have solved this correct or not. Yes, 1661 is the right answer. Sir, आपने ये क्या यूज किया सर? ये ट्रिक 151 into 11. ओके देखो, ये मैंने वैदिक मैथ्स का ट्रिक यूज किया है, सिंपल है। ये जो नंबर है यहाँ पे लिखो, ये जो नंबर है यहाँ पे लिखो। नाउ ऐड टू नंबर्स। ओके, आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस टू नंबर्स, ऐड टू नंबर्स। 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, हो गया 1661 is my answer. Okay, so yes, we also teach Vedic maths. You can subscribe, you can book a free trial class for Vedic maths, and I will teach you all the shortcut techniques. So what have we learned so far? क्या सीखे हम आज? Okay, we learned arithmetical progression, mind map. Okay, सब starting से हमने revise कर दिया, multiple choice question solve किए, okay, subjective वाले question solve किए, ये सब हमने आज किया है. So thank you. So next we will come with a new chapter. Okay, I think so. Maybe at 2 o'clock. I don't know the exact time. I will be teaching you guys construction. It may be of 9th standard or 10th standard. Let us see. Okay, so join that. Okay, we will solve construction. Constructions भी बहुत अच्छा topic है. Okay, it is a fun topic. It does not involve any mathematical calculations. Okay, high difficult mathematical calculations कुछ नहीं है, basic है. Okay, pure basic है, तो वो सीखो और तुम कर दो. So should we stop here? Should we stop here? Yes. Those who are new, those who saw the stream, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So yes, we will meet soon again. Okay, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.